Welcome back to BestoLMS. In this video, we'll walk you through how to add subjects for your classes. Let's begin. From the side menu, click on Subjects. Now, you'll see the option Create Your First Subject or the Add Subject button on the top right corner. Click on it. Enter the subject name, for example, Mathematics, Science, or English. Next, write a short description of the subject. This helps in identifying its scope or focus. Select the class for which this subject is being added. If this is a core subject, just check the box here. Simple. Now, let's define the assessment types. Check mark whether the subject has theory, practical, or both. Enter the total marks for the subject and set the passing percentage. Finally, click on Create Subject, and you're done. Your subject is now successfully added. With just a few steps, you can add and customize all your subjects in BestoLMS, making your school's academic structure more organized than ever. Stay tuned for more quick guides